we claim that there are mass irregularities in the work of the electoral officer.
The election procedure, according to us, is totally manipulated by Mr. Modassir. He is totally arbitrary and biased against the present committee as well as the past committee members, Mr. Chetan and Baru Fadke. We are appealing to the club for the sake of cricket in Goa. All clubs should understand the procedure followed by Modassir is totally illegal and biased toward the present committee.
Mr. Suraj Lotlekar, the incumbent president, has been a member of managing committee from 2012 to 2014. He was a vice president from 14 to 15 and again from 15 to 18. Subsequent to the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court on 2/1/2017, he took over as president and is still the incumbent president of GCA. He has completed 6 years, 2 terms. As per Lodha Committee recommendation, there has to be a cooling period for Mr. Suraj Lotlekar. There is no way that his candidature can be accepted for presidency, for any post, leave alone presidency of the Cricket Association. Yet, the electoral officer, Mr. Modassir, has very conveniently accepted it. This is a gross violation of the Lodha Committee recommendation. There has been absolute violation of all laws and disregard to the legal framework of the cricket fraternity as regards how GCA incumbent committee has treated Sarvodaya Club and the nomination of Mr. Vilas Desai. When it comes to my nomination, Juno Sports Club, right from the time it was formed, had Mr. Dilip Sargaonkar, my father, as a president, and Mr. Sunil Asgaonkar as secretary. There has been no communication from Juno Sports Club to GCA at all, ever, that there has been a change in the managing committee of Juno Sports Club. Yet, arbitrarily, they have put up Mr. Sunil Asgaonkar as president. Mr. Modassir, on the day of scrutiny, says that the letter is misplaced. This is the way they have disqualified my form. It's absolutely illegal and as per their convenience.
We are 100% sure that election will be countermanded. So no question of changing election officer. C.O.A. is already deputed observer, so he will take care of all this things.